Hi, my name is Sundaresh Shivasamugam. I'm a CIS major at Georgia State, and today I'll be demonstrating how to use the sort, split, and filter options on Excel. To start off, we'll have an Excel sheet named Video Data, and we'll be starting off by typing in our first and last name, followed by a Panther ID. And after we do all this, we click on the split, sort, and filter option, which takes us to another worksheet called split, sort, and filter. And in this worksheet, we can first go to our column A and see how it has first, last, and hero with commas between them. And to split these into three columns, we'll be going into data ribbon and clicking on text to columns. And through this, it says delimited, which means characters can be separated through commas or tabs. We can click next, and then we can select on the comma, and then we finish. And now you can see how our table has three columns with the names of first, last, and hero. Next, I'll be showing you how to use the filter option, the sort and filter option on Excel. We'll start off by clicking on column C, going into the sort under the data ribbon, and then it asks me, would you want to expand the selection? I'll say yes, and it connects all my A, B, and C columns. And then I'll start off by picking the first column as hero, and I'll sort it from A to Z. And this shows the movies names from A, B, C, all the way to W. Next, we can do the same thing, but change it up by clicking on column B, going to the sort ribbon, expanding my search, and instead of using hero as my column reference, I'll use last name, and I'll change the order from Z to A. And finally, we'll show you one more time by using the first name. I'll go onto the A column, going onto sort, and expand the selection. And I'll change it to first as my base, and then change the order to A to Z. So as you can see that our first name and last name was not changed. Clark Kent as Superman, Claire Kent as Super Sister. And now we can move on to creating a filter for columns A, B, and C. We'll do this by copying all of these, going into clicking on filter, and you can see how there's these pop-ups for each first, last, and hero icon. And we can go to our hero icon and deselect all and select all the ones with S's and click enter. And on Macintosh, it automatically does it by typing the letter S. Finally, we can calculate the subtotal of all of our cells in each row by using the formula equals subtotal. And we'll use count A because count counts the number inside each of cell, but count A counts each cell as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going on. We'll click on count A, do a comma, and then pick our cells from right under hero to 94. And then we can click enter, and it says that there's 24 cells in this row, not including hero. And we can do the same for each one of the columns by Command C on Macintosh and copying it down and clicking enter. That's all I have for you. I'm so good at sleeping, I can do it with my eyes closed.